Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 4 to the power 1 minus x plus 4 to the power 1 plus x is equal to 10. Okay, we know that a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n, and a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now apply this to rule, we can write 4 to the power 1 over 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power 1 times 4 to the power x is equal to 10, or 4 to the power 1, that means 4 over 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power 1, that means 4 times 4 to the power x is equal to 10. Now let 4 to the power x is equal to y. So we will get 4 over y plus 4 times y is equal to 10. Or now multiplying both sides by y, we can write here 4 over y times y plus 4y times y is equal to 10 times y. Or this y cancel out this y, so here we will get 4 plus 4y times y is 4y square. Now taking this 10y to left side, we will get negative 10y is equal to 0. Or now rearranging left side, we can write here 4y square minus 10y plus 4 is equal to 0. Or now taking common 2, we will get 2 times 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0 over 2 is 0. Or now here we can use middle term breaking rule, so we can write here 2y square minus 5y can be written as minus 4y minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking common 2y to first two term, we will get 2y times y minus 2 plus now taking common negative 1 to last two term, we will get y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or now taking common y minus 2, we will get 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Or y, now taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get y is equal to 2. But remember, let y is equal to 4 to the power x, so we can write here 4 to the power x is equal to 2. Okay. Or now 4 can be written as 2 square, 4 to the power x is equal to 2. Now I know that a exponential rule a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So apply this rule, we can write 2 to the power 2 times x is 2x is equal to, now this 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1. Or now attention here, there are same base but different power, so we can write here power is equal to power. Or now divided both sides by 2, we can write here 2x over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. Now this 2 cancel out this 2, so finally we will get x is equal to half, and it is our first value of x. Now second case, taking this negative 1 to the right side, we will get 2y is equal to 1. Or now divided both sides by 2, we can write 2y over 2 is equal to 1 over 2. Now these two cancel out these two, so here we will get y is equal to half. But remember, y is equal to, let 4 to the power x, so we can write here 4 to the power x is equal to half. Or now 4 to the power x can be written as 2 to the power 2x, so we can write here 2 to the power 2x is equal to half, can be written as 2 inverse 1. Or now there are same base but different power, so we can write here power is equal to power. Now divided both sides by 2, we can write 2x over 2 is equal to negative 1 over 2. Now these two cancel out these two, so finally we will get x is equal to negative half, and it is our second value of x. Now sec, our questions is 4 to the power 1 minus x plus 4 to the power 1 plus x is equal to 10. 4 to the power 1 minus x plus 4 to the power 1 plus x is equal to 10. Here x is equal to half, so we can write here 4 to the power 1 minus half plus 4 to the power 1 plus half is it equal to 10. Or here we will get 4 to the power 1 minus half is half, plus 4 to the power, here LCM is 2, so we will get 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 over 2 is it equal to 10. Or now we can write here 4 can be written as 2 square whole to the power half plus 2 square whole to the power 3 over 2 is it equal to 10. Or now these two cancel out these two, so here we will get 2, plus this two cancel out this two, so here we will get 2 cube is it equal to 10. Or 2 plus 2 cube, that means 8 is it equal to 10. We know 2 plus 8 is 10, so 10 is equal to 10, so right hand side is equal to left hand side. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.